Steven. You want me to open it for you?
These things are hard.
Is that good? That's not how you eat a Kit Kat bar, silly. You gotta break me off a piece of that. My goodness, I ain't never seen nobody eat no Kit Kat bar like that. You silly